Hello, we are in Moodle MOOC 10 and week 5, wherein we are working as managers of a Moodle site to develop a course. So as a manager, we are responsible for the enrollment of the students onto the website. And here in this video, we will be looking at different enrollment methods available on a Moodle site. So I have already logged into my account on moodleforteaching.org and I am at the dashboard area. From here, I will go to courses, click on the course that I created here. Once inside the course area, on the left side in the administration block, we see the course administration. This is different from site administration. So we need to get into course administration, wherein we click on users, and under users you can see there is an option for enrolled users, which will display all the enrolled users in the course. There aren't any. Next is enrollment methods. Here in the enrollment methods you can see that there are two methods which are currently available. One is manual enrollments, second is course enroll confirmation. These are two separate methods that have been activated here by default. And let's see. Here it is the manual enrollments, guest access, which is disabled. As you can see, if I click on this, it will get enabled. Self-enrollment is disabled. Auto-enrollment disabled. Course enroll confirmation is enabled. From the eye icon, we can figure out which all methods are enabled, whereas the entire list goes in for all the possible enrollment methods on the site. So if I want to check out manual enrollments, I can click on edit. To enroll a student, click on enroll users. So let's check out the settings. Here it is, the manual enrollments under computer networking. That is the course that I have created. Enable manual enrollments, yes. Default role is for students. Default enrollment duration. So you can specify, suppose you have a time frame for which you want the students to be enrolled for. So that can be specified here. If I click on enable, I can specify that in number of days, weeks, hours, minutes, or even seconds. I say for hours, and this is for 10 hours. So entirely depends on the requirement. Next is notify before enrollment expires. Since you are specifying a duration for the enrollment of a student, that means after the end of the duration, the student will not be able to access the course. So if you want to notify, here is an option to notify the enroller only, or enroller and enrolled user. So both can be notified. And then comes notification threshold. This is to specify how long before the expiration of the enrollment should the user be notified. So it can be specified again in days or hours or minutes. And ideally it should be a day before or maybe 2 days before, so that the user or the student knows that the enrollment is nearing expiration. Click on cancel here because I don't want to change the default settings. When I click on enroll users, here it shows too many users. That is, there are almost 160 users already enrolled on this site. So you can choose a search here. Alright, so here in the search bar, I have written my name, just the first 3 letters of my name, and it displays my name in the user list. So I can click on the user and click on add. And here it is. I have been enrolled for my course. Similarly, I can click on the user who is already enrolled and remove the user. While enrolling, you can also assign a role, which could be a manager, teacher, non-editing teacher, or a student, and specify the starting from maybe today, right now. Okay, so this is how you can manually enroll users to your course. And let's go back. Next, we have guest access. So if we get into settings of guest access, allow guest access, yes. Click to enter text, so you can specify a password here which can be shared with your audience who you want to be enrolled for your course. This helps in knowing who your audience is and who all are basically enrolling for your course. So click cancel. Next is self-enrollment. Here you can specify the custom instance name and allow existing enrollments. Here we can see allow new enrollments, yes. If I say yes, allow existing enrollments, yes, and allow new enrollments, which would mean that new enrollments can be made along with the existing ones. If I disable this, then it's only new enrollments that can be made through self-enrollment. And you can specify an enrollment key, which again can be shared with the users to enroll for the course if they are enrolling by themselves. Use group enrollment keys. So in case you have groups, you can specify group enrollment key here. Default assigned role is student. Enrollment duration, again, if you want to specify the duration, and notify before enrollment or not. Notification threshold. Unenroll inactive after. So in case somebody has self-enrolled and they have been inactive, you can specify after how many days they should be unenrolled. And custom welcome message can be shared. Next is auto enrollment. In auto enrollment, you can specify whether you want to allow auto enrollments or not. And if in case you do, then you want to enroll on, that is the condition, when is a user enrolled to your course, on course view, or as soon as the user logs in, or any of the course activity or resource is viewed by the user. So as soon as either of the three is committed by the user, they get enrolled into the course. And here is a list of all the activities and resources, wherein again you can specify which activity or resource basis which they can be enrolled, auto enrolled. Again, the default assigned role is student, which can be changed. Send course welcome message. So in case you have course set up properly for teachers, and you have shared a lesson plan with them, so in case you want them to be auto enrolled to your course when they view a lesson plan or probably URL that you have shared or a page that you have shared, this method would come in handy, where you can specify the activity. This would come in handy. So I'll say cancel here. Next is course enroll confirmation. Here again, you can specify the custom instance name, allow course enroll confirmation, the default rule for such an enrollment method, and you can check out more settings, that is to show the user profile fields on enrollment screen, or more details maybe. So in case any of the enrollment method that is activated on the site but is not here listed here, you can click on add a method and choose the respective enrollment method to be added. So suppose I choose course meta link. Here it shows link course. So suppose a course has been divided into 3 different parts. So they can be linked together, and here in the course link course search, you can specify which of the following course you want to link to your own course. Add to group. So probably you want to add them to a specific group for within the course. From here in the course administration, again you can check out groups, permissions, and other users, using which you can specify if you want different groups within the same course. So that's about different enrollment methods within the course, and that's about this video. Thank you very much.